You can also customize your lock screen. So when you just open this thing, see this is a wallpaper, timer, and etc. Those are application on the bottom. One is the phone, other one is the camera. If you want to change it, just press and hold, so it will bring you to that option. So where you can just click on the app, you can just change any app, whatever you want. Let's say put the text message here, and on the left side, for example, I can go with the camera. So I just switched it. So you can add the contact information for you. Let's say if you lose your SIM card, phone, so somebody can contact you. And here's a notification thing. You can add different widgets like the battery, calendar, weather for the quick look, and you can just change this notification style. Also, there is on top you'll find the wallpaper. You can change the lock screen wallpaper by using those free wallpaper, or you can download from the Galaxy Store and from third party. So after all setting customization, just press the done and you'll good to go. That's how you can change this. See, it says the change is applied. So now you'll see this is the right side of the messages, and the left side you'll find the camera. That's how you can customize your lock screen.